after a few more tweaks, I now have a good model. So let's take a look at what happens when I try to export it for printing. So right click, export, and then we're going to open up that, plus, downloads, comes in that way. So let's place it down on the ground. It's a little big. How if we rotate it? Big in kind of every direction. So the question is there a way I can cut this to print better? I could try to do something fancy where I print it at a crazy angle. So I've seen this type of thing done where we take and rotate it about this axis some. So that way works, and then I can go this way. And then bring it down, bring it up this way some. And then move, no. I can go this way a little bit. You know, even at the weird angle, maybe I can just barely fit in there, but this is not going to fit for printing very easily. I'm very close, you know. Shortening that corner. So the point is not going to fit. So now the question is, how about if I take and could I print it? Okay, it doesn't fit this way. If it fits this way, what I can do is see about breaking this in half. So I'm going to take and just so my orientation reset, I'm going to delete it and re-add it. And we're going to use the PrusaSlicer split tool. Let's cut it in half there, and let's just keep the upper part, because that's the harder part to fit. So let's cut directly in half. Let's put it on its face, and if we rotate this, I think we might fit. This way a little bit. And we can just barely fit that. So that's good. So we can fit this in here, and we have some room over here. That's important because we're going to take and make this a two-part thing so we can print in two pieces. So let's double check the other half. So bring that back in, open it yet again. This time when I split it, we're going to keep just the lower half. And that fits just fine. And if I go to arrange, we are completely fine. If we don't want to go right to the edges, we can do a little bit of rotation here to fit a little better. You know, a little more margin. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this up for printing in two pieces. So we now have our two pieces here. We're going to cut directly in half, so that's going to be really easy. So in the next video, we'll see about deriving our objects from our initial drawing and making two parts.